Another thing I'll just briefly touch on is the gun size matters, but the gun shape also matters. So this gun, if you were to do a lot of twisting and turning, you're still going to see a little bit of grip printing, just that little spot right there. Well, that is a P365 XL. And the XL has this little flared mag well that does nobody any good. Because you're generally, like, you know, this is the gun you carry every day. You're not, you may shoot it in a match, but the mag well and the reload speed is much less of a factor in your everyday concealed carry life. So what you can do is file that down and get rid of that little extra poke point. And if you kind of measure that along the width of the gun, that gives you an extra almost half an inch of space that you can just get rid of. There's no purpose for that. Let's get rid of that.
Additionally, a P365 XL and a Glock 48 might fit in exactly the same size box. However, I can make a P365 XL completely disappear on my body, and a Glock 48 I will struggle with constantly, because one gun is designed with a little bit more of that kind of like curved butt of the pistol, like in a kind of like J-framey way, and Glock does everything with right angles.
This pointy magazine is the nemesis of almost everyone who carries a Glock, because that pointy corner is the worst culprit for printing.
Yeah, like the grip doesn't wrap around and blend into the magazine at all. There's a big chunky square cut mag base plate that sticks out of the bottom of the pistol by, 3/8 of an inch, and is very sharp and will always poke through my shirt no matter what I do, unless I want to intervene to the degree where my holster becomes an uncomfortable apparatus.
Right.
Or I can just carry a P365 XL. So the raw dimensionality of it is important, but then within that size category, the actual shapes that you're attempting to blend into the body become relevant too. The less organic the shape that you're trying to incorporate into the body, the less likely it is you're going to incorporate it successfully.